So there are some very cool and smart things you can do.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
After the event, to get even more of a buzz going about your event and how cool it was. One cool thing is you want to compile all the pictures, all the videos, all the quotable things, maybe have some narration into like an awesome blog post. And that blog post you share on social media and you mention a lot of people there, right? Things like that, tag people. And then you email also all the people who attended, who didn't attend, to show them, hey, here's the blog post, here's what happened, here's the recap. Really cool and insightful. And this is also your chance to be like, hey, follow us on social media. And really, this is your chance to be like, by the way, you missed this event, look how cool it was. But if you have a next event, right? This you're already starting to promote your next event by showing how amazing this event was, right? So it's really cool because that's really, you're starting the loop all over for your next event, and you're starting it with like a really exciting thing because you're showing all the super cool, super social, super insightful. A lot of people, whatever people needed to do at the event, learn something, have fun, whatever. All those things happen, and then you're like, don't miss the next one, right? Here's the next one. So that's really what you kind of want to do. Tweet out, share on Facebook, email maybe once or twice. No, email just once, but you can share more than once on social media. How cool the event was, things like just post the event and like hint at the next one, and really start the cycle all over again with the next one.